susunod naman ay ang Team Eat na Hit. Pero ma-hit kaya nila ang mga emojis. Alamin na natin agad. Team Eat na Hit. Moza!
What do you want? Please don't do anything foolish. Put the gun down. Actually, you'll do the talking. You were behind Kading's murder, weren't you?
Nagsumbong daw si Nene sa kanyang nanay Gina tungkol sa pananamantala sa kanya ng amain.
O baka naman, ikaw ang lapit ng lapis sa tatay mo.
Because he is my friend, I'll follow him.
Oil on the driveway and a rope around the limb. The house is empty now, I'd say it's safe to take a swim. Your father called to say